Good evening. So tonight again, I am kind of in a festive mood. Singing that last song was pretty fun, so I figured it'd be fun to sing another Christmas song again. And this is going to be another one that was translated by Katherine Duncum. It is called Let It Snow, Let It Snow, Let It Snow. And again, kind of like the other one, I did change some of the lyrics here and there, but the bulk of the translation is done by Dr. Katherine Duncum. So if you want to sing Let It Snow in Navajo, this is what it sounds like. I hope you enjoy this one. Tł'óo'di báhádzidgo Ńchííl, nizhónígo háajigo deet'áazh, Bíni Ńchííl, Bíni Ńchííl, yóó'íchíił dago, Naadá dilchxoshí níjaa, hoot'íi biniinaa, Bíni Ńchííl, Bíni Ńchííl, Altogo deet'áazh, go Naadá, háajigo dago, yóó'íchíił dande, nizhónígo, Bíni Ńchííl, Altogo deet'áazh, go Naadá, háajigo dago, yóó'íchíił dande, nizhónígo, Bíni Ńchííl, Bíni Ńchííl. Merry Christmas.